On the display panel, press OK and then go down and select the LAN settings and press OK. Select Wi-Fi, go to the Wi-Fi setup. So we have the option to use the wireless connect, that is the easy wireless connect. So select it, connect to a computer or smartphone, yes. Follow the instructions on your smartphone. I'm going to use my iPhone. Now in the iPhone you have to go to the Canon print app, that is here. On the top you can click on the printer icon. On the next page you have to click on the register printer. Now click on the if printer cannot be found. Select the first option, auto connection. Our printer has a button like this, yes we have. So we have to press and hold this button for 3 seconds. On the display panel you will see this button. Press and hold it for 3 seconds. Now release it. In the app section we have to confirm we have done it. Click next. Press OK. On the next screen it will display Canon Pixma TR700 series. Click join. So it says it may take up to 3 minutes. It will display your Wi-Fi network. Confirm it. Automatically it will fill the password. Printer setup is done. If you want you can go for online and just close it. You can print any image if you want from here, and you can also connect. Our printer is available on the next page, you will see here. So this way we can do the Wi-Fi setup of this printer. That's the easy wireless connect. Thanks for watching.